Keep carving.
My wife, dude.
Keep carving. Good example for your kids. Good example for your kids.
What's wrong with you, man?
Not,
What's my wife? Why would you want to start something?
I'm not starting anything. Why are you
The moment, and you're gonna ruin it?
Why are you carving into trees? Come closer. Come closer. I'm not a tree hugger, but I hike a trail and all I see is people carving into trees.
Oh, man, I'm sorry. I'm sorry you can't sleep tonight, okay?
Well, I can sleep tonight.
Yeah, man. I mean, geez, I proposed to her 13 years ago, and you're gonna be a jackass?
I'm not being a jackass. Who's being a jackass?
All right. Hey, you have a good day, okay? I hope you sleep better tonight, knowing that you ruined the moment.
Do you tag houses too?
Am I a superstar?
Now you are.
Hey, ruin a tree!
Now you are.